Today we're making a 24-karat gold Japanese A5 Wagyu steak, the pinnacle of luxury, precision, and flavor. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. Wagyu is one of the most expensive meats in the world, with prices reflecting the meticulous breeding, feeding, and care that goes into raising the cattle. This Wagyu ribeye steak is about 1 inch thick and weighs 1.245 pounds. Wagyu translates to Japanese cow. This cut is a celebrated delicacy emblematic of luxury and Japanese culinary artistry. Its appeal lies in intense marbling, the intramuscular fat that delivers a tender, buttery mouthfeel. A5 is the crown of quality on the marbling scale, the highest grade score. To start, remove from fridge and rest at room temperature for about 30 to 60 minutes. Then pat dry with paper towels to remove any surface moisture. Due to its rich marbling, 4 to 8 ounces is recommended per person, so I'm cutting mine to share with my family today. With Wagyu, simple seasoning is best. Lightly seasoned with kosher salt. Cracked black pepper is optional. I like it with mine. That's all you need. You don't want to overwhelm Wagyu with other seasoning. After seasoning both sides, sweep the seasoning onto the edges as well. You want to use a cast iron or heavy stainless steel pan. Heat on medium-high until it's smoking hot. Fat content is high. You typically don't need oil here. That fat renders during searing, infusing richness without overpowering the beef's natural flavors. We'll sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side for medium rare. Wagyu also cooks faster than standard beef due to fat content. It's often best enjoyed at medium rare to medium doneness to fully appreciate its unique flavor and tender texture. Check with a meat thermometer for doneness, 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius for medium rare, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 Celsius for medium. Before adding the 24-karat gold, you want to rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a cutting board to redistribute juices. After resting, we'll apply the 24-karat gold sheets using clean tweezers or the paper wrapper. This package came with 10 sheets. I'll be sure to post a link to this and some of my other items in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Edible gold leaf is non-toxic for consumption in typical quantities. Ensure it's labeled as edible. If you're pregnant or have dietary concerns, always consult health guidance. I've decided to do half the steak in gold, cut the fat end off, then I'll cut a few slices for presentation and add a few flakes to my cut pieces. Oh, this is perfect and just the way I like it. You can garnish with microgreens. I'm serving mine with garlic, mashed potatoes, and asparagus. And now, for an extra bougie touch, we'll add a small amount of caviar. Caviar should be served preferably with a mother of pearl or wooden spoon and never a metal spoon. Another option is serving it with a red wine reduction sauce. At high-end restaurants for a steak like this, you would be paying anywhere from $250 to $1,000 plus, depending on weight, cut, location, and presentation. All right, guys, the moment of truth. This is by far my favorite steak. The unique combination of fat and meat in Wagyu creates a rich umami flavor that is melt in your mouth delicious. So good. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.